to move with the dollar, like currency is not gonna move because, well, you're dealing with that. So fuck it, I'll go over to US30 or something while we wait for the currencies to start moving. Little double tap on the 15. All right, and you can kind of see it's fucking clear as day. You feel me? So change your bias when you want, but if you want to short, just wait a few points. It's like 30 points. I would say short at 32,733. You feel me? Damn, it's about to hit there now. 32,723. That's like 20 points from where price is at right now. I mean, in a sense, you catch the falling knife, like as soon as it cracks through, boom, you catch that. Your position opens up. As soon as it gets here, you can close about right here, like 594. That's it, just to give us that. So like I said, just let it do that. Obviously, the market could change and your bias will change, but as soon as I get in, I see a fucking double top. Like, I'm not gonna change my bias and start trying to look for other shit. Like, you know what I mean? Why would I try to change what I see? You just, I mean, it is what it is until it's not. You know what I mean? Boom. Yes, it could fake out, but then I would have to change my bias when it does that. But as it's moving, you just kind of sit back and wait and let it do what it's gonna do. You know what I mean? What about gold? And like I said, when we went to FinViz though, I kind of showed you what the market already looked like this morning. It was very, I don't know, they had mixed feelings. You know what I mean? Very mixed feelings. So that's what it is. So for me, let's say I wouldn't change my bias until price gets to like 807. If it gets to like 807, 810, then and it's green and I see it being green, then I'd be like, okay, I'll be looking to buy, right? I may take a small buy. When it gets to like 840, I'll be like, okay, prices are the move. Well, I need to double up on that, and we'll move to the top side like that, right? But I think this short for 30 about to just come through. So let me try to ante up on him real quick. Yay! Ante up, get that shit cracking real quick. Oh yeah, that short coming through nice for us. That short coming through nice for us. Let me get ready. You did. Yeah, did. Hey, SPX 500 on the hour dropping too, so you might want to hop in. Okay, we active right now. We are active right now. We're active right now. We're active right now. Then I'm about to sell SPX 5 too, so if you guys want to hop in that, you can. You don't have to follow me, but I'm definitely about to short. I just shorted SPX 5 too. I'm guessing NASDAQ gonna fall with it too, huh? Yeah, well, I wouldn't get in the NASDAQ to like 20 points down. 907, I was short there. 892, I was short there. So that's 30. It's in profit, but it ain't a lot. So we just wait for it to break a little bit lower, right? Let's wait for it to get a little bit lower. And then let's start trying to put our little trailing stops in and shit. So just wait for it to get lower. I don't know if you guys are in profit right now. I don't know if you're in profit right now, but if you are, you're only up like fucking 13 points, 14 points, something like that. You feel me? You don't have to slide a trailing stop in, but you don't want to lose money. So like I'm debating if I want to do it or not, but like I might just hold this shit and let the market do what it does, because I don't want this shit to try to pull back, boom, knock that position out, and then I have to re-enter, and I'm already pretty much, I found a nice little drop, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, this morning we actually had to get in here and hunt for a trade. Sometimes like I like doing the hunting, you know what I'm saying, but really I like just being able to see it, put my shit in, and you know, go handle my day. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, so let this play out, you guys. You know, TFX shit, you feel me? Appreciate you guys tapping in this morning. You know, appreciate y'all tapping in this morning. Oh, so people have been asking me about purging too, so I have to actually make a video. It'll probably be like I don't know. Give me some time. I'll make the video though. Give me some time. I'll make a video. I'll make a video. I'll explain the whole purging process, because like people get purged out because I guess they don't pay the monthly, or I don't really know what it is, and they be, oh well, why they get purged, and then I have to explain to them, well, this is why. Well, here's the date that you signed up. Here's today's date. You know what I mean? And here you missed that gap. So I would say if you wanted to stay a part of the family, you just check on your membership yourself. You know what I mean? But our only job on this side is just to see the information that's in front and move accordingly. You know, so don't have any hard feelings. Oh, why did he kick me out the group? I didn't kick you out the group. It's just you probably missed the payment or something. If you want to get back in, it's easy. You just reach out to an admin or email me. Somebody from my shit, go ahead and respond back to you via email or something like that, you know? So let's get it. 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 Hey, where you guys from though? Where you guys from, man? Let's keep this chat alive. Let's keep this chat active, cracking. Let's keep this chat alive, active, and cracking. You know what I mean? I know I don't have the music banging this shit right now. I should. I should. While I'm rolling up, I might as well. You know what? I might as well do that. I might as well do that. I'm gonna set the mood in this bitch. Like I said, I can't wait to bring you guys into what I've been building. You're gonna be like, this nigga Ty is really a builder. So like I said, just appreciate you guys following the story, really following, this TFX shit, because, everybody's been wanting to ask, hey, what's your track record? What's your track record? And I be talking shit like, nigga, my track record is right in front of you. So what's dope about this group is everything that I've caught or live or whatever the fuck, it's all here. So I have a live track record, you know what I'm saying? And you guys will definitely be able to tap in. So for anybody who want to know if Ty can get down, it's right here. You feel me? It's right here. What up, Patrice? What's up, Carice? What's up, Lorenzo? What's good? What's good? What's good? Robert Smith, H-Town in the motherfucking house. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that US30 is definitely in profit. We got a chance to eat off that double top. Really, really simple play this morning. Really simple play. Super dope play, double top. We seen that. We ate off of it. And let's keep running it up. I don't know if we're going to get to TP, but I would say put your trailing stops in and just hold your trades through. Try to see it through to the finish. Maybe it won't get all the way through. Maybe it won't get all the way through, right? Maybe it won't get all the way through, but fuck it. It's long, right? As we just, you eat what you need to eat this morning. Like I did my job for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So really, like I get in, and I don't know if you've seen, but I remember I posted one of my first lives ever on YouTube. I put it under Forex Game Breaker Strategy. That's when I was like, they used to call me an oil magnate, right? Like that was my pair. Like, now I'm really big on the whole US30 and all that. But before, a lot of people will come to me because I was like specializing in oil. You know what I mean? You kind of pick a niche that you like, and I love the profits that oil spit. I love how it moved. I love how it related with with US CAD. You know what I'm saying? So that was one of my things when I was really on the oil trade and stuff. That's what it was. Phoenix, Arizona. Let's get it, you dig? Let's get it. I'll definitely put in your trailing stops, you guys. Put in your trailing stops. Put in your trailing stops. You feel me? And once again, like I know you said, where can we leave the reviews? To be honest, look, so let me tell you, Facebook had this option for the Facebook pages where they used to have all my reviews and stuff like that. And I mean, like the old ones are still there, but I don't even know if they're using that feature anymore. That's like an old Facebook page feature. You know what I mean? Like Facebook is growing every single day, right? So maybe I have something on a website or somewhere you guys can leave the reviews, or fucking maybe just leave it on YouTube. Like, people are gonna be talking shit when I finally drop, oh man, I opened a Signal group, you know what I'm saying? He said he never would. But what's dope is, like I said, my history's in here. You know what I'm saying? So in a sense, this is me creating a track record, a live track record. You know what I'm saying? So if anybody needs to trail this shit back, then we can always come back, But I've been on here for like 20 minutes. Like I said, my thing, I wake up, I really come in here, hunt, try to find you guys plays and stuff like that. Once we get our play, I mean, really, like, I'm just running my mouth at that point. Yeah, MetaTrader should be full. Just on today though, right? So if you did follow along with us, right, and actually short at 32,723, so price is up about $70 on a 0.1. On a 0.10, you're looking at $700, right? On a 1.00, you're looking at 7 bands. Okay, you're looking at 7 bands. All right, so if you did pay $50 membership or whatever, I literally just made you your bread back. You know what I'm saying? I literally just made you your bread back. Yo, hey, trust me, the stuff, I'm gonna respond to Sha, but Sha, bro, the stuff I got on this album, I haven't released no music 2021, none. Bro, your boy been fucking cooking. I'm about to show you like I said, I'm gonna show you the room and stuff. Like, I still gotta go to Walmart and get. I'm creating some other stuff, so still other shit I gotta get. I gotta get some more spray paint and stuff like that. But your boy been building, man. I use this Forex thing simply, to fund my lifestyle and for freedom. So if you guys want to get free, right? Free to be whoever you want to be, do whatever you want to do. Like, learn to trade. I think I gave you guys a plan. I think I gave you a plan. When I gave you a plan on SPX 500 plan, I gave you a plan before on, in a sense, how to escape your job if you are working, right? By, putting your expenses into your trading plan. It's all there. It's all in the group. So if anything, just come back, scroll through the information, and let's get it. So I'm gonna play Rolls-Royce Energy, and then we're gonna bounce. But we had a really good trade this morning. Like I said, we came in. It took us a minute to really scout it out, but we came in, we scouted this shit out. Initially I thought we were gonna be able to get off with the GUs and all of that type of stuff, and you know, initially that's what I thought. I came to the US30, seen a double top, boom, we moved on that. So sometimes you may have 50 plays all over the board that just undeveloped until one takes off. When that one hit, that's what you focus on. Like, it's like you can set your bait in the what's that called? You can set your bait in the ocean or the lake, right? And just let it sit. Okay, we just letting it sit, letting it sit, letting it sit. But right, what's cool about the bait is if you only have one fishing line and you don't have a net, right? If you only have one fishing line, once one fish bites onto that hook, that's pretty much it. Like you only gonna be able to get one fish, you know. So right now you should almost be up 100 points on that US30 trade. You should almost be at 100 points on that, right? I know I should post a poll. So I got 100 points today on US30. Join my signal group. You know what I'm saying? But you should be up almost 100 points right now. So definitely now's the time to put in a trailing stop. If I was you, I'll pop a trailing stop in at least at like 700. So you got 20 bucks. You know what I'm saying? If it pulls all the way back, if you're doing a 0.1, if it's a 0.10, that's 200. If it snap back, if you got a full lottie in, that's at least 2 bands. You know what I'm saying? So you be all right. You be all right. You made your money this morning. You be all right. You be all right. But yeah, just, I mean, like I said, I'm gonna make another video about the purging stuff because, you know, people keep asking me man. And then another thing. So another problem we be dealing with is like once people get into the group, right? Then they start inviting like family and friends and everybody else. Like, damn, you know, like they ain't pay. Just tell them to pay their little 50 and they gonna be solid, bro. I got y'all. I can take care of the whole family. You know what I'm saying? Got y'all. Let's make this motherfucking money. Or do it how they be doing the Netflix accounts. You know what I mean? Finesse the shit. Fuck it. However you gotta get it, get it. Let's get it though. All right, US30 still crashing. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. We actually are getting very close to TP, y'all. Getting very close to TP, y'all. I'm about to turn on that Rolls-Royce Energy though. That's my shit. I got another song that beats that beats Rolls-Royce Energy though. It's called Trade Dreams. Like, and when I do the video, I'll be doing it inside of my, you know, my trading studio. So I can't wait to show you the whole joint, you know. But let's keep this joint rocking. Like I said, we almost close to TV.
Shit.
I need to
Top
raise the
feels
energy
so much
though.
better than the bottom, baby. So
Show
much
niggas how I'm living, you know what I'm saying?
From the hood to living good,
Young and paying with a maid,
Let's
fuck
get
it.
it.
It's that lifestyle difference, you see the difference, nigga. Everybody listen, I tell them listen, nigga. Now we off that Forex, we own it. I don't trap, I trade, baby, I'm on it.
Look, so let's really talk dividends. The big dogs move the mortars in. Look, Forex living, ooh, Forex moving. ETX stocks, baby, all inclusive. REITs, bitch, I'm really a mix. Niggas mad that I'm black and move stocks like bricks. On the same thing as Buffett, I found some monthlies that hit. Found some annual flips and some quarterly kicks. Moving cake like packs. Oh, okay, the grass is greener where you water it. So I watered it. Had to get my crypto miners busted, then I followed
Hey, let
it.
this motherfucker come to us though. Let this money come to us though.
Profit margin set, then I talk my shit and now I'm barging in. Forex on my face, better take that triple.
And see what's dope about this, right? Once you get your money cracking, once your trade is active, you literally just do whatever you want to do. Sit back, you chill. Once I get off here, right? Once I get off here, like I said, I'm finishing up my ceiling and shit. Fuck it. Matter of fact, I give TFX a preview, my dog. Y'all fucking, y'all, I got y'all. Let me roll this real quick. Let me roll this real quick.
A lot of roads go, baby. A lot of roads go, baby.
If I give TFX the first preview, you guys have had a first preview of my trading room. Well, this side of my trading room, right? This side of my trading room. I got my green screen side that I'm building over here. Like, I was watching my video back and there's wrinkles in my green screen, so I'm like, hold on, I gotta fix that. So I'm redoing the studio side and that side too. Still on the go. On the go. These my trade dreams, this my lifestyle, baby, I'm on the go. These my trade dreams, this is all that I know. That shit hard, like, whip that trade phone up until it's hot. Give me the MetaTrader, I'ma show you what it's about. Like, man, trade dreams go hard as fuck. And I'm clean. Like, my girl, she's funny, right? She was on my head. Like, we walk around the house all the time. It's this part in the song, like, you'll hear it. It's like I kind of ad-libbed it. It's like, and I'm clean. So I'm basically saying, and I'm clean, right? But in a high-pitched voice. So we be, like, she'd be cleaning up, and she'd look at me, and she'd be like, and I'm clean. Or we be doing something like, I feel like y'all gonna have the same jit with it too when we drop it. You know what I'm saying? You said stopped out of the band. Hey, at least you got money. At least you got paid. At least you got a chance to let the trade develop and eat. That's what it is, you know. That's what it is. I'm rolling up right now. Right now, here it is. Let's turn on this stuff. And I'm gonna turn this on and show the other part of this room.
Say this that motherfucker. Say this that motherfucker. This that motherfucker. Ay, keep that cool on smash. Look, guaranteed
So
that
we
I'ma
got
keep my
everything
foot on the
cracking
gas. Look, spark out the bun and put
I
my
got
cool on the ass.
motherfucking comments.
Walk
It's
away
a
and put
meteor
the loot in the
asteroid
stash.
coming out
Ay,
the ceiling,
some crack
nigga.
kills,
Oh,
but so do record deals. I'd
so
rather trade or
I'll
die
finish
if
it
we
up in
talking
here though.
records.
It's